Creating a calendar in Smartsheet allows you to visually organize and track events, deadlines, and tasks. Here's how to create one effectively. Start a new sheet. Log into your Smartsheet account and start a new sheet by clicking on the plus icon or selecting Create New from the dashboard. Choose Calendar View. Once the sheet is created, click on the drop-down menu next to Grid View at the top right corner of the screen and select Calendar View. Add date columns. In the calendar view, click on the plus icon to add date columns for the events or tasks you want to track. Label each date column with the appropriate title, such as start date or due date. Input events or tasks. Populate the calendar with events or tasks by entering them into the corresponding date cells. You can add additional details such as descriptions, assignees, and priority levels. Customize calendar settings. Customize the calendar settings to fit your needs by adjusting the date range, display options, and color coding for different types of events. Share calendar. Share the calendar with team members or stakeholders by providing them with access to the sheet or exporting it as a PDF or image.